Welcome to Timeline Auto Sports. It's still your boy Dumisane. I'm with Chico here. What man?
Stimza.
Kunjani?
Amnandi mpisho kanjani?
I'm mnandi.
Into zakhona.
Hey, yeah. Ile weekend le. Siphethe ibhakaniya ne-Sundowns.
Yeah.
Angitshela. What's your take? Uboneni
Okay.
ukuthi nje game yonke layout.
No, I think let me just greet the viewers and sibabonga for my subscribers. Another thing, man, I think it's time to start before start ukusipana. You're like, and I think sisipanile. Like as in if Sundowns ngaqhubeka iqedwe mangaqedi league early. Iligi izobhora and manje iligi bekumele ukuthi and siku stage where ukuthi iligi kumele be difficult. You understand? I think today that's what we saw, that's what we watched. It's okay. Iligi izophela kusela noma game a few. But now ivele kashiya ivele athatha enye 10 esingexpectanga, you know. And over it's expected actually kuma league games wonke ukuthi normally masongena ku second round yama games ama team mela perform hard, even though ngazi why other teams banganaso leso spirit yabo. But we see ukuthi there are other teams now who are just kuyabonakala ukuthi iligi masezophela everyone is hungry na abantu abafuna ukurelegate abantu bafuna ukungena ku top 8. There's always something abantu bafuna ukuya ku CAF, you understand. There's always something to fight for.
Sure.
Yeah.
No, yenza sense yazwakala futhi manje. Yazi ziningi izinto engakhulunywa ngazo. I think isibukela ama game ePirates afinyana lokade disappointing, and then you were complaining the starting 11 ukuthi Pirates is starting to be predictable into ezikanjalo. Today ngibone coach Roberto athi ukushintsha nyana the wonder kid. Unkotha waqala ebenchini, uchange wathi ukudlala something like i4-4-2 yabo. Information it was different, and now ngibone ngathi bazamile contain Sundowns kwadlaleka. So what can you tell us about that?
Yeah, I think with me, because I've been complaining about it, remember what it's like, scheme separates, it's predictable, you know, always know what to about. I think you need to be biased, and maybe my games like about draw and about lose, you know. So obviously, he saw a need to change over to spice things up, you know, confuse if things maybe. But playing on quarter, on Tito, on because we weren't getting enough. So now more figure on the day when we go to it's a different team. Now you take advantage as a coach. You understand that not to be sponsor scheme one throughout the game, you know. So I think with what happened, whatever he did to do Rivera, I think he was spanning.
So are we saying playing or perhaps I'm a mistake with Sundowns, because I saw actually a lot of players the field was not fair in terms of Sundowns like play, because of it was slippery, but only for Sundowns. I don't know why.
That's the funny thing, you know. and we've been saying that often with, you know, Sundowns, Tambadlan, the Pirates, we were the same issue with the Pirates, they were Bisbawa, and abantu were complaining, understand. And now Sundowns players, they can't be complaining. Yeah, now they understand, because this time around the pitch being up a faith, you get, so it's gonna be a bit two-faced. Or if now they're gonna start saying okay, that pitch, because but they have no right to complain about the pitch. Another thing, besides the pitch itself, man, I was not happy. Just waiting for I understand. Today for me, they didn't really play to the core, you understand. Besides to Yashalela. Yes, Nashalela, but I don't know what to Sagbon Petipola. We are by the waste my ball, most especially Mugan. I was so disappointed today. Super, but I had the rugby, try with rugby. It's the affair, you know. So, stadium very actually we also actually. You understand, but because of my parents, they went through the same thing. It's by Pretoria. So right now, there's no need for us to talk about it and try and find ways to say, okay, he did, I must go right. Nah.
So what are we saying exactly? Geshalela, or is it Tama mind games? Because I wanna raise something which absenteeism in the players. Then Sayaguyo, but manje again. A few of them, like the likes of Abu Ribeiro, they were absent today, like the Bangeko. So we are at of Fagabumquena. But what do we say? Is it Tama mind games on Sambi game Vele, like Piachele Stadium?
No, I think I don't think they're absent per se. I think Pirates, the one started like we was jail with lawyer Siambamba and Plant. I think according to Muri Ribeiro, was a boogie project Pirates today. Nagu throwing board, it was like, as a Muto Sukurisa, this is the guy, you understand? Masanga kono concern this guy. the laba, it's not really much of a problem, you understand? So I think we were Pirates value. Also does not. Pirates they're in a good, but they're in a good form, right? It doesn't. Yeah, it be easy to buy the 3 times or like 2 in a row. It's just something. And now, you are about who started. That's another thing as well, you know. So we need today was just 50. Even if we also lose the Pirates, I don't think we will lose. Because by score, I see heavy according to me.
Okay. No, yeah. Then as the hey, ubukela le game lena. I know what you don't like Super Child. I actually favorite player yakho. But angazi man, kuna this thing that is it time wasting tactics. Yeah. Uyibona kanjani lento lena? Is it necessary? Because it seems like most players, most goalkeepers bayathanda ukuyenza. Ngimbona yenza early in the game ngaboma 60 minutes uyalala ufake ama injuries zonke lezi zinto lezi.
Now I think like, you know, PSL, my team PSL they do it a lot these days. I wouldn't say Pirates pay because now Sundowns but we ends, I understand. Which I didn't and namakhola akayenza nama-save athini uchayile bawabamba yabo because bawafika kuye, you understand, you know, because ama-fans you understand. So I think Sundowns didn't really give it to him kangako sikhona ukubona ukuthi ke uchayile vele you understand. To be honest, it didn't really work that hard today uchayile ngaphandle lapho kwabamba kwamakhona or my side piece, and like there was nothing much. If you look at okay, that was a good save, you know. So obvious, Magabamba easy. Imniki platform good with this card. You understand? Because it be easy. The composure yana vela like him guys cut. People more pay about style about Bamba easy. Then you get to waste those balls. You understand? True. So I think na vela channel pola is loud. Then the kind of chance would a shy time wasting. But later time wasting, I don't think it's. I wouldn't say China per se. I think most of these PSL teams. They do it, most especially when Sebaka out to 1 goal, they start doing that, you understand. And when you understand, with Mama ends accelerable 10 minutes, it's understandable. Because of the game, 5 minutes, it's understandable. But now, first half, now you're wasting time, and now but they got punished as well. Imagine if now Sundowns they came back and scored another goal. Also, he was gonna cry because of Kumbula, it's catastrophic about this Kumbula.
Yeah, because that's where I wanna go actually regarding the time wasting thing, because of obviously I think we recall now we are spam this card. So Ubusmosha, is it necessary rather than which and gain momentum or something like that? So, but I feel it's a problem that you are having as South Africans more especially. We need to start using to serious as start a disc in career like in go like span like serious because I feel most players they don't respect in the disc the way benza ngakhona. Yeah, igame namhlanje angikulalele ngibuza uthi iPirates kahle kahle idlalile uthi iPirates yenze yonke into bekumele yenze, that's why Sundowns.
Yeah, with me man, I think today Sundowns you know, sometimes it's hard to dominate the league from the first game to the last game. Like it's very hard. And to be honest, let's just be honest. It's just Pirates, Sundowns, they're a good team. They play a very good football, and I still say they're gonna win the league, you know. But also win the league. But now they only lost 3 games. This is the 3rd game by losing. You understand? It's a good track record, even if Banga win the league by losing 3 games. You understand? It's not easy. But they are good teams, some of Pirates. You understand? Good sign. Yeah, or not to you understand?
Yeah.
So win a league, it's rare. So it was just given. Good see. Guy was lose 1 or 2 games, and the upcoming games just to make sure they punish.
Yeah, but they can still afford to lose maybe game 1 or 2. Kulama game myself.
Actually, you know, I'm coming to pass in game in hand next door, you know. So right now I'm benching Mawabula Leonki, Banga the leagues, understand? So that if you get to a point where even if now those ones that they manage to win a game in hand now, but Baba Shan about points. Because this is football every day. Maybe they can relax, if they can waste time now, but then it's a problem. Because if you want it today, definitely you're gonna say it's gone, it's chai.
I know. Now let's give credit to Orlando Pirates for winning namhlanje, because I think ukuthi play there besebenzile to like this point. So angazi I'm a neighbor.
No man, I'm a neighbor. I think there's nothing much to talk because remember we tried to watch the game. also it was just a boring game to watch. Kaizer Chiefs is Stellenbosch, you know. So Kaizer Chiefs, I think this level, they will win one game, draw, then lose, or draw, lose. There's you know. So and right now, number 8. They have to win them so they're going to sustain number 8 to top 8. Because if Banga lose, also gonna 40, when to top 8. And if it's like that, it means Unabi and there's South Africa.
But mentioning Coach Nabi, consistent coach, team nayo, man, I see uyachopia change and more especially in midfield. Bone manje uthatha risk yokudlala ngama player abuya kuma injury, Mthethwa uCastillo, so angazi kwenzakalani.
Man, you know to coach him, ndibebuza ukuthi there kunama advisor na. That's another thing, you know, because last week they Cape Town City, right? They played, even though they didn't win, but they played very well. To be honest, they played very well. You know. So why would you change all of that?
That's the thing.
Why would you change all of it? Because sometimes if something like you can amend it there and there, you know, you're with a different setup, and you know, like it's just about injured right now. According to me, to be honest, it's just. So one next season, you know, because Banning, Bukulanga X, Kulanga Castillo, like just Babiagma injured now from Batalis.
Yeah.
While with their kids, they've been performing very good. Move a energy, throughout.